In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. Calendly is a fantastic tool that helps streamline the process of scheduling meetings, and when you combine it with Microsoft Teams, you can significantly enhance your productivity and ease of organization. So, let me walk you through the steps to get this integration up and running. First, you'll want to head over to your web browser and type in the Calendly website. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up. But if you're already a user, just log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which is pretty intuitive. The next thing you need to do is look for the Integrations option, usually found in the left-hand side menu. Just click on that. This section is where you can connect various applications to your Calendly account and manage your integrations. Once you're in the Integrations page, there will be a search bar where you can look for specific apps. In this case, type in Microsoft Teams. As you type, Calendly will start suggesting various integrations, and you should see Microsoft Teams pop right up. Now here's where the magic happens. Click on the Microsoft Teams option that appears in the search results. You will see an Integrate Now button or something similar. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking on the button, Calendly will guide you through the authentication process. This usually involves granting Calendly permission to access your Microsoft Teams account. It's important to ensure that you allow those permissions for the integration to work properly. Now, this is a pivotal moment in the process. Once you've granted the necessary permissions, you should receive a confirmation that your Calendly is now integrated with Microsoft Teams. And just like that, you've successfully set up the integration. What this means for you is that whenever someone schedules a meeting with you via Calendly, the event can automatically be created in your Microsoft Teams calendar. It's a seamless way to keep all your appointments in one place without any extra work on your part. Now that you're all set up, it's a good idea to test the integration to ensure everything is working smoothly. Go ahead and create a mock event through Calendly. You can use your own email or even ask a friend to help you out. Once you've scheduled the event, hop over to Microsoft Teams and check your calendar. If everything went well, you should see your new meeting scheduled there. If you don't see the meeting in Teams, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a moment for everything to sync up. Just give it a couple of minutes and refresh your Teams calendar if necessary. Alright, now that you know how to integrate Calendly with Microsoft Teams, think about how this will streamline your day-to-day tasks. No more double booking or confusion about when meetings are taking place. It's all organized, all automatic, and designed to help you focus on what really matters. And here's a bonus tip for you. Remember, you can adjust your availability settings in Calendly to prevent any unwanted meetings from slipping onto your calendar. This way, you can have more control over your time and ensure that meetings only happen when you're ready for them. So that wraps up our tutorial for today. Thank you for joining me on this journey to integrate Calendly with Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.